Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by placing the magnifier and phone on a clean, flat surface. Position them now. Remove bulky cases, because cases change focal distance and prevent a crisp image. Once the stand is positioned, set the magnifier about 1 to 2 inches above the phone center. This gives the lens space to focus. If your magnifier has an adjustable hinge or LED, power it on and loosen the hinge slightly. This lets you fine-tune angle without forcing glass or plastic. Now concentrate on focus. Increase phone brightness to about 70 to 90% so text contrasts without blooming. Place the phone and then slowly slide it forward or back in 1 to 2 centimeter steps while watching the screen through the lens. Adjust the magnifier tilt in small, 5-degree increments because tiny angle changes produce large focus shifts. Make micro adjustments to the hinge, then lock it once the image is sharp. This prevents drift while you use the device for reading or video. Finish with final tweaks. Lower ambient light behind the magnifier to reduce reflections, and reposition until glare is gone. If the image remains fuzzy, check the lens-to-screen distance again and remove any thick screen protector. These change focal plane. Clean the lens and phone display with a microfiber cloth. Dust and fingerprints are common culprits. If movement or wobble occurs, tighten the hinge or place anti-slip pads under the stand. This stabilizes the setup for long viewing sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.